I give this to Mom, and this is for you.
Ooh, he gave me a little mini kit.
I think that one is from.
That one's for you, Mom.
No.
No, that's yours.
That's a gift that Mom and Dad bought for Dominic.
This?
Yeah. You know how some gifts Mom and Dad buy?
How we buy gifts for other people and stuff.
You got me a ring? I know because I...
You know the box.
Yeah.
Did you want a ring?
Oh, yeah?
It's
A cross? You got me a cross just like you got?